Welcome to Bulletproof Diesel, the leader in diesel reliability, where we build parts to solve problems, not create them.
And we're here at Bulletproof Diesel, where we get a lot of questions on oil capacity and what type of oil to use for your particular truck. Today we've got a 2018 Powerstroke with a 6.7 liter diesel in it, and we're going to go over those questions and show you how to do an oil change.
The 6.7 Powerstroke is among the most popular and powerful diesel engines on the market. Ford Super Duty owners have come to appreciate not only the power, but also the reliability and durability of the 6.7 engine. When properly maintained, it's not unusual for the 6.7 engine to be going strong even after several 100,000 miles. The engine oil capacity during a normal oil and filter change on the F250 and F350 6.7 Powerstroke is approximately 13 quarts on the 2011 to 2022 trucks and about 15 quarts for the 2023 and newer. The larger variants, such as the F650 or F750, range between 15 and 17 quarts depending on vehicle year. For example, the 2015 to 2022 F650 holds about 15 quarts and 2023 F650 holds about 17 quarts. Be sure to fill the engine with the correct amount of oil because oil level is critical for the longevity of the engine, especially a durable one like the 6.7 Powerstroke. Low engine oil levels could result in major engine damage. In addition, too much oil can be problematic. Overfilling the engine oil can create foaming and could compromise engine lubrication. Choosing the right oil for your 6.7 Powerstroke is essential to ensure maximum performance, longevity, and reliability. The oil viscosity recommendations change depending on the model year of the truck and the operating conditions it faces. The most commonly used viscosity options on the 6.7 Powerstroke are 1030, 1540, 540, and 040. 1540 is suitable for most diesel engines because it's appropriate for most weather conditions, whereas the 1030, 540, and 040 engine oils are better suited for colder climates. The owner's manual may have more specific recommendations based on your exact model year and typical climate conditions. To keep your 6.7 Powerstroke engine running smoothly for years to come, use the correct oil for your truck, maintain proper engine oil levels, and adhere to the recommended service intervals.
All right, so that about wraps up the oil capacity information on the 6.7 diesel. We hope you found that informational, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, hit subscribe, and follow us more at bulletproofdiesel.com, where diesel reliability begins.